Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am going to do an 8x10 canvas. I have already covered it in the pillow paint. We're going to do a bloom technique. I'm going to do one big bloom in the middle, then blow it out, and then spin it out. So most of the time I do like multiple blooms, but this time I just want to do one big bloom and see how it comes out. So let's go over the colors real quick. If you watched yesterday's video, then you already know we're doing the purples and the greens and silver that you guys said you wanted to see when I did my survey a couple of weeks ago. And that really helps me when y'all let me know what you want. So if you want to comment below what the next color palette should be, just let me know. So I've got the Prism Violet from Liquitex Basics and Light Green Permanent, also Liquitex Basics. Then I have these two Artezas, the silver and the Thalo green. And then I have two primary elements. Let's see. One is Sweet Thistle and the other is the Douglas Fir. And then I have two Amsterdams. I have the white, titanium white, and the Oxide black Amsterdam. I'm not sure if I'm doing white or black as my topper today. Interesting. So I just got something in my paint. Go ahead and get that out. There we go. All right. All right. I am going to put some purple down first. So I am going to make the puddle bigger because I want it to cover a bigger space. All right. This is the primary elements purple. I like to put the primary elements close to the colors that they resemble. So I'll use, if I'm using purple, I will use a purple primary elements just because it helps it show up. Just helps bling be better. So that's why I do that. So, all right. All right, let's use the silver next. I haven't done that order. I love using the spinner. If you guys haven't used the spinner yet, y'all should try it. It is a lot of fun. Okay. I'm gonna, do the silver in between the green and the purple. All right. Now some more purple. So how are you guys doing? Are you being creative? Are you spring cleaning your house? Are you laying in bed watching Netflix? I think I'm doing a combination. I've been catching up on the shows that I watch with my daughter. I never watch TV by myself. I'm gonna read a book if I have downtime. But I like to hang out with my daughter and we watch TV. So we just have network shows that we watch. And so we're catching up on that. Just finished The Good Doctor, New Amsterdam. We do Grey's Anatomy. All right, I'm gonna do one little bit more purple. Still didn't decide on the white or the black. I wonder what would happen if I did black and then did the white on top of it, like directly on top of it. I've seen it done side by side, so like half the canvas is done with a black topper or cell activator and then white on the other side, but I think I'm going to try using both. I know it's probably going to make a muddy mess, but we won't know if we don't try. I can't believe I'm going to ruin this painting. Okay. Won't ruin it. It's going to be great. All right. There's the black. Here's the white. And now we will know what happens if you do this. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, not loving it. But you never know. I'm going to give it one more blow right there. All right, let's let it rise back up to the top, and then we will stretch it out and see what happens. You never know. All right, let's spin it out and see what we get. Okay, we're not even. Definitely not even. Okay, there we go. Well, it's stretched out way far on this side. Interesting. Let's just keep going. Hopefully we'll go off the edges. Multiple edges, not just one edge. Okay. This is interesting. The lacing is, I don't know if you can see it, but some of it's gray, but some of it's white outlined with black, which is kind of cool. If it was on a smaller scale, see, that would be working, but on this big canvas, it's not really. Okay, whoops. Don't want to give up on it yet. I want to just keep spinning, see if it'll go off more edges. Keep going. think it's still moving a little. I'm going to keep going for a little bit more. All right, we're getting really close to this being to the edge, so I'm going to keep going. All right, I think that is done. So I actually like it pretty good. So I'm gonna let it develop and see how it looks and see if it's a keeper or not. There was a time in there in the middle when I just wanted to start plopping new paint on top and spin it out. But you know, sometimes I do that, I think, too hastily, because there have been times when I've just walked away because I didn't like something and I didn't paint on top of it, but I didn't like it. So then I just left it and I came back and it had mellowed, and so it looked really good. So never know. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I kind of like the black and white together. Interesting. Woohoo, something else to explore. All right, guys, I will be back with some close-ups. Thanks for watching. Hang on, don't leave. All right, here are the wet results. I'm going to go in lower right hand corner. The colors are blending really pretty. It's the upper right. And that is actually more purple than it appears in this video. Over to the upper left. And then the lower left. Here's the overall. And let's go in for some of the middle, really interesting stuff. Love that lacing. It stretches out. I love how it's outlined. Can you see, like, it's white and then like a dark gray or black around it, and then black around it, around that. That's really cool. I was really scared to try out putting the black down and then the white right on top of it and blowing it out. I was just sure it was going to totally ruin the painting, but how fun is that? Something else new we can play around with. All right, well, there's the wet results, and hold on a minute and I will have the dried results. All right, here are the dried results that I promised you guys in the previous video to this. Here are the 4 tiles in the order that I painted them. So dried results, because I did the video before they were completely, posted it before they were completely dry. So here's the dried results. It pretty much dry exactly the way they are when I finish pouring them. So there they are. Still gorgeous. I'm going to resin these, of course, after about a week. I usually give them at least a week. And here are the dried results for the painting. This one is stunning. I love doing the black and the white on top of each other. That was so fun. Gonna have to experiment with that some more. So I love how it looks like you took a black marker and outlined the white lacing. So cool. So fun. And I love that the overall movement feeling of the piece. It really actually looks like a flower, a big bloom. So there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And comment down below on what the next color palette you'd like to see. So there's still another one of this color palette coming up, maybe two. I'm not sure if I'm done with this color palette or not. I'm going to at least do one or two more. So, because I am loving it. Plus, I'm hoping that the purple from Michaels comes soon. And I'll throw it in the mix too. So, please like and subscribe. Be inspired.